first up, let's put the commentary, let's put the spotlight on some comment that has come in from Trump, where he says that Jerome is too late. Powell must lower rates now. Fortunately, the economy is doing good, so that's not a problem. But he says that we have blown through Powell and the complicit board. He also goes on to say that the damage he has done by always being late is incalculable, and considering allowing a major lawsuit against Powell to proceed because of the horrible and grossly incompetent job that he has done. So yet again, he has taken a jibe against Jerome Powell as always. Apart from that, we have Trump's comments that have come in on inflation as well, where US President Donald Trump goes ahead and said that tariffs have not caused any kind of inflation. Consumers aren't even paying higher tariffs. He says Goldman and David Solomon, who is the CEO of Goldman Sachs, are wrong on tariff impact on the market. So that's some commentary that has come in from Trump, both on Jerome Powell as well as on the outlook of inflation going forward. Meanwhile, US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has said that Fed should look at about 50 basis points rate cut in the month of September. In fact, he also says that Fed should have done that in June itself, but now at least 50 basis point rate cut is what he's hoping for as far as Federal Reserve outcome in the month of September is concerned. Meanwhile, Kansas City Fed President has also given his comments, where he says that policy rate is far from neutral and inflation is too high. He says tariffs' limited effect on inflation is a reason to keep policy on hold, and it is not an opportunity to cut rates. So some important commentary coming in from US President Donald Trump, and of course from Kansas City Fed President as well, and what the outlook is from Fed in the month of September.